Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the 2025 Toyota Hiace, a van that's changing the game with its reliability, space, and performance. Whether you're a business owner or someone who loves traveling with family and friends, the 2025 Hiace might just be what you're looking for. Stick around as we explore everything this van has to offer. The Toyota Hiace has long been a favorite in the van market, renowned for its versatility and durability. In 2025, Toyota is taking things to the next level with the new Hiace model. So, what makes the 2025 Hiace special? Let's find out. Starting with the exterior, Toyota has enhanced the design of the Hiace to give it a bold, modern look. The sleek lines and stylish grille make it more than just a functional vehicle, it's a van with a sense of sophistication. The 2025 model also comes in several color options, from classic neutrals to more vibrant tones, allowing owners to make a statement on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Hiace doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a powerful yet efficient engine designed to handle heavy loads and long distances with ease. This makes it perfect for both commercial use and personal travel. The Hiace engine options include a standard gasoline engine, as well as a more fuel-efficient diesel option, ideal for those who want to reduce fuel costs. Now let's take a look inside. Toyota has redesigned the Hiace interior to be spacious and comfortable. The 2025 model offers seating options that accommodate up to 14 passengers, and each seat is crafted for maximum comfort. Toyota has also included more storage space, which is a huge plus for families and businesses that need that extra room. With foldable seating, you can quickly adapt the interior to fit passengers, cargo, or both. This flexibility is one of the reasons why the Hiace has always been popular in both the commercial and private sectors. When it comes to tech, the 2025 Hiace is loaded with features that keep both the driver and passengers happy. The updated dashboard includes a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. Whether you're headed across town or taking a cross-country road trip, the Hiace has you covered. Safety is always a top priority, and the 2025 Hiace doesn't skimp on protective features. Toyota has included advanced safety options such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and a pre-collision system that enhances road safety. Plus, with blind spot monitoring, drivers get an extra layer of awareness to make every trip as safe as possible. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the 2025 Toyota Hiace. This van combines functionality with style, making it perfect for just about any type of driver. From business owners needing a reliable fleet vehicle to families looking for a spacious ride, the Hiace is ready to deliver. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with all things automotive. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others.